A few days ago, I uploaded a video showing you how you could be an affiliate for the TikTok shop without having the 5,000 follower requirement. In that video, I mentioned I was going to try and make money with the TikTok shop as an affiliate on that account that has less than 100 followers, and I would actually report back to you if and when I started making some money. Well, the answer is 3 days. It took me 3 days, 7 videos to make $10 as an affiliate for the TikTok shop. I didn't show my face. I have less than 60 subscribers or followers, and I actually didn't have any of the products lying around. And in this video, I'm going to reveal to you exactly how I did it. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to actually help you make money online and not just to put money into my own pocket. And if you want to be added to the globe, comment down below with your city, state, zip code, province, or country, and I'll get you pinned. Now, 3 days is the second fastest I've ever earned affiliate commissions. My personal record for earning affiliate commissions is 12 hours when I earned $130 with the Bluehost affiliate program. Now, the reason why I started this is because I've seen a lot of people on TikTok saying how much money that they're making as an affiliate for the TikTok shop. And they're claiming to make $10,000 or more per month simply uploading 1-minute videos for the TikTok shop and its products. In addition, many of these marketers are claiming that they're able to earn these affiliate commissions without even showing their face or even having the product. And today we're going to talk about it. I'm going to talk about why I think I was able to start earning commissions so quickly. I'm going to reveal my exact process so that you can do it too. I'm going to reveal some of my concerns about the TikTok shop and something that you should be aware of. And I'm going to reveal my goals for the rest of the year for this new TikTok shop and revenue stream. First, let's talk about why I think this happened so quickly. As I mentioned in my previous video, TikTok is really pushing the TikTok shop. And anytime you post a video that includes a link to a product from the TikTok shop, the views are automatically boosted and they're just going crazy. Now, a video may normally only get 200 views, but if you just include that TikTok shop product, it's automatically boosted to 400 views or more. And the reason's actually really simple. TikTok makes money anytime someone clicks and links and buys a product that is linked in the TikTok shop. And so obviously that's why you're seeing a ton of these ads or videos that pretend to be ads in TikTok. And so you have to realize too that for a long time, TikTok was losing money. Now, it's hard to be a great business if you're losing money. In fact, you probably won't be in business very long. And so TikTok has identified this as a very good revenue stream. And that's why you're seeing it pushed down people's throat. But that doesn't actually answer why that happened for me. In fact, if you've been on TikTok and you potentially feel this way, you've seen content creators lashing out by the number of videos that include the TikTok shop links. And while I was scrolling, I actually kind of noticed the same thing. When you first log in, you see a paid ad right on the home screen. Next, you see a live stream, probably that features a product from the TikTok shop. And then finally, you may see a video from the For You page. After that is another ad, and then another TikTok shop video, followed by a video eventually by someone that you actually follow, and then another live stream. And I'm seeing, as I mentioned, a lot of creators and people are starting to push back on all of this TikTok shop product promotion. But if people are making $10,000 or more per month, that means there's people on the other side that are interested in these products and they're buying them hand over fist. And most importantly, the people that are telling you that they're making $10,000 per month with the TikTok shop as an affiliate, they're not selling a course on how to make money online with the TikTok shop as an affiliate. So I figured it was worth a shot. And so here's what happened to me. I created a video on a very popular product that is found inside of the TikTok shop. I had seen multiple videos about this neck massager, and so I decided to actually create my own version of the video. Ironically enough, I had purchased the same neck massager a few months back for my wife, but I got it on Amazon. I didn't even buy it from the TikTok shop. Anyway, I was able to earn affiliate commissions with the TikTok shop so quickly because I was able to piggyback off of a product that is being talked about a lot. This product, as I mentioned, already has multiple videos, and I think my ability to piggyback off of that led me to earn commissions relatively quickly. And here's a pro marketing tip for you. Make sure that you ride the wave and don't try and create the wave. Now that I revealed why I think I was able to earn commissions so quickly, let's talk about my goals for the rest of the year for the TikTok shop. As I mentioned, I was able to make $10 off of essentially 7 videos. Really, it was 1 video, but total 7 videos. And currently, each video takes just under 2 minutes to make. And last night, I made a bunch of these videos while I was sitting through commercial breaks watching the local football game. And honestly, guys, it's hard to convey how silly I felt making these 2-minute videos without showing my face or even having the product. So my long-term goal for this account is to actually outsource the TikTok video. While these videos are really easy to make, the whole purpose of having money is actually just to buy your time back. I would like to ultimately scale to $10,000 per month, but my plan is to outsource most of the work. The process to create these videos is really simple, and I'll actually reveal exactly what I did in just a few moments. But in order to scale, I need more video. Currently, I'm uploading about 2 to 3 videos per day. Eventually, I'd like to scale that to 5 and even 10 videos per day. Ultimately, the long-term goal would be to have multiple videos for each product in the TikTok shop. And later on in this video, I'll show you exactly how I make my videos, and you'll see it's possible to create a bunch of these videos ethically and honestly. So my short-term goal is to have 5 videos per day, but my long-term goal is to have 10 videos per day, but most of them are outsourced. One of my goals will be to hire a female voiceover actress to do this, because I think the female actress will have a nice balance to my male voice. In fact, what I'll probably wind up having her do is create the exact same video that I'm creating, just using her voice. So ultimately, the long-term goal is to make 10K per month with this revenue stream, making or uploading 10 videos per day. Now that you know my plan for this affiliate opportunity, let's talk about some concerns that I have, because I do have a few concerns that you should be aware of. As I mentioned on this video and my previous video, I think readers and viewers of TikTok are starting to grow tired of the TikTok shop and the constant promotion of product. I've even heard a few people compare to QVC or the Home Shopping Network. So my question is, what will be the result? Will the viewers stop coming to the platform and go back to YouTube or Instagram or even Facebook? Will TikTok listen and stop boosting those types of videos so high? And as more people learn about this opportunity, the market is going to become inundated with these types of videos. Personally, I think that TikTok is headed to a TikTok apocalypse, where you're going to start seeing viewers leave the app for other opportunities like YouTube or Instagram and Facebook. I also think we're going to see a change in the algorithm, where the TikTok shop is not going to be pushed as much simply because of the complaints from the audience. I don't know when these two things are going to happen, but I think it's a real strong possibility. Another concern that I've heard is the quality of the products that are listed on the TikTok shop. I've even heard some early customers complain that they didn't actually get what they purchased. For example, if someone were to purchase a gaming chair, they would be shipped a mini gaming chair that was a half or a quarter of the size that was displayed in the original TikTok shop marketplace. Another major concern that I have is the pricing of the products found on the TikTok shop. One of the reasons why the TikTok shop is so compelling is that the prices of the products are like half the price on Amazon, even though they're the exact same product. But the question is, how long can this continue? How long can TikTok offer a mechanical keyboard that is $12 while the exact same product is $29 or $30 over on Amazon? One thing I think we'll start seeing is a steady increase in the price of the product on TikTok, therefore making it less appealing than using Amazon. You have to remember that Amazon has the advantage of same-day and even 2-day shipping, something that TikTok isn't offering or can't offer just yet. And my last concern, quite honestly, is for you, the viewer. What I'm concerned about is I'm concerned that you're gonna see this video. You're gonna stop whatever online business or side hustle that you've started, and you're going to run to the TikTok shop. I personally think that if you are already working on something, I think you should stay the course and not have shiny object syndrome. Keep doing what you're doing, because what you're doing is currently working. I don't want you to jump from thing to thing to thing, because what you'll find is nothing will wind up working. Anytime you start something new, you have shiny object syndrome, you jump to something else, you get frustrated, and you'll stop that thing. And I think starting the TikTok shop affiliate might be no different. Now, if you already have an online business and you're generating income, this TikTok shop affiliate program could be a nice additional income, nice little supplement for you. Or if you have tried a bunch of things and nothing is working, then I recommend giving TikTok shop a try. But if you just start a business and you're 3 months or 6 months in, stay with that business. Stay the course. Don't jump ship to the TikTok shop because it's the new shiny thing. All right, so we know my goals. We know my concerns. Now I'm going to reveal to you step by step how I was able to create these videos and earn commissions without showing my face and without having the product. One of my concerns with creating videos for the TikTok shop was that I would have the ability to create videos ethically even though I didn't have the product. Then I started doing some research, which is basically just scrolling on TikTok. And then I noticed some creators were able to ethically create videos without showing their face or even having the product. And what they were doing is stupid simple. I started wondering, why didn't I think of that before? So now that I had the video format, which I'll reveal in just a second, I needed a plan to find video ideas. And that too is actually stupid simple. Do you remember earlier when I mentioned expert marketers ride the wave and they don't try and create one? This is actually what my plan is step for step. I'm simply going to scroll TikTok looking for different waves to ride. I'm simply going to go to TikTok and I'm going to look for live streams where people are talking about products from the TikTok shop. And I'm also going to look for videos where people are creating about products from the TikTok shop. And my criteria is stupid simple. If there's a live stream about a video, I'm going to make that video about that product, because the only thing TikTok pushes more than the TikTok shop products are live streams about TikTok shop products. Second, if I see a large content creator creating a video about a TikTok product, I'm going to make a video about that product as well. And here I'm actually going to ride the wave of large creators. And for the purposes of this exercise, I consider a large creator anyone that has more than 100,000 followers. The final thing I'm going to do is I'm going to look for products that have 3 or more videos that are linking to the TikTok shop. Again, this time I'm going to ride the wave of people already hearing about the product, and so they have a comfort level with it. Now that you know how I'm going to find product ideas, I'm going to reveal step by step how I am able to create these products ethically without showing my face and without actually having the product. It will shock you how simple this process is. First thing I do is I find a product that I want to create content around in the TikTok shop, and I take a screenshot of it. When I take a screenshot, I make sure the price is visible. Second, I find the exact same product that is already being offered over on Amazon. And again, I take a screenshot and make sure the price is visible. So once I have the 2 screenshots, one of the product on TikTok shop, the other one on Amazon, I begin to make my video. The first half of my video is me talking about the product on the TikTok shop and why you should always check the price here versus just heading over to Amazon to buy that same product. After I talk about that first product for a while, I'll show the second screenshot from Amazon where the price is visible and usually 2 to 3 times higher. I make sure to highlight that the product is the exact same. It's the exact same brand name. It's the exact same functions. It's just the price is much higher over on Amazon. The other thing I do is I make sure the videos are more than 1 minute long, simply because that's what TikTok is now pushing. To ensure that the video is over a minute long, I'll list the product features and the benefits. It's very important that the video is 1 minute or longer. Now that you know how to create videos for the TikTok shop that earn commission step by step, you need to learn how to actually create the TikTok shop so that you can become an affiliate. Watch this video next to learn step by step how you can create a TikTok shop so that you can become an affiliate without 5,000 followers.